Yeah, this is a SP LaserJet Pro 501 printer, and this printer problem is no paper pickup. Press OK and continue. Let's press this, and it's try to opening but it could not. And this problem comes from the any sensor blocking the paper path area. Okay, today I will find this and where is this problem, and let's see where is the problem. And this problem comes from any sensor blocking area, and maximum time I found that problem, and from here, and here is one sensor, and I will show that. You can see this sensor lever. Here is one sensor. Please wait, and I'm showing it clearly. You can see here is a one sensor lever, and this one is upper. Okay, this one should be down. Okay, let's check and how it will be fixed. And this sensor, you can see this one should be down, yes, this one will be down, and that's why it's showing the error message. You can see here, and this one is playing easily. Okay, okay viewers, and let's see this problem solved or not. Printer is warming up. Yeah, now our printer is ready. Let's check the test page. Let's see. Again here is showing no pickup printer, no paper pickup. Okay, let's see the error and what's happening. You can see the lever position is upper, that's why it's showing this error message. And let's open this area and fix it. Okay, how to solve this? I found some dust here, and after that when I clean this, and it automatically working. Okay, you can see this sensor, and maximum time this problem comes from this sensor. Okay, sometimes it's blocking this, sometimes some paper blocking this sensor, and sometimes some dust blocking this sensor. Right now it's okay, maybe it will be work perfectly. Okay, let's fix this, and you can see clearly, and this sensor is playing as well as good. Okay, when I pull this sensor upper side, and it's automatically go down when I leave this. Okay, let's, and installing, and printer is ready. Let's give the test page. That is okay. Okay, you can see here is also ready. Again I am giving test page. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.